Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. I am Viral Dodia and you're watching Viral Science. So I have two smart bulbs placed on my table. One is the Wipro Smart LED RGB bulb and other one is my own created with ESP8266 board and addressable LEDs. You will also find one Amazon Alexa on my table. Both of these bulbs can be controlled with the Alexa, Echo Dot as well as Alexa application on your smartphone. So I will quickly show you a demo with this. Alexa, turn on LEDs.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, change bulb color to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, change LEDs color to green.
Okay.
Alexa, set LEDs brightness to 10.
Okay.
Alexa, set LEDs brightness to 100.
Okay.
Alexa, change LEDs color to violet.
Okay.
Alexa, change bulb color to red.
Okay.
So in this way this LED smart bulb works. So if you want to make this one for yourself, keep watching this video and do hit that like button, share this video with your friends and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And let's quickly get started with this video. This video is sponsored by PCB Designer. It's a professional grade PCB designer software company. You can design high quality PCB with advanced routing engine that includes powerful tools. You can visualize your PCB in 3D format. So immerse yourself in visually stunning, photorealistic 3D world of your PCB design with PCB Designer. Start your free trial now. Links are in the description down below. So for this project you will need an ESP8266 board, WS2812B addressable RGB LED strip, a breadboard, and some wires. Now follow this circuit diagram and make your connections. After completing the connections, connect your board with your computer and open the code. First of all, you need to include these all libraries which are used in this project. This is a fastled.h. Then you will also need ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Now these all libraries can be easily found on Google, so you can just simply type fastled.h Arduino library download on Google. And after downloading, just go to Sketch, go to include library and add this zip library over here, and it will automatically get added in your Arduino. Next thing you need to do is change the number of LEDs you are using in this project. For example, if you are using 7, then type 7. If you are using 20 LEDs, just type 20 over here. For my case, I am writing 8 for now. Next thing you need to add is your Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password in these lines. So here we'll enter the Wi-Fi name and I'll enter my Wi-Fi password. After this, you can also change the device name. So you can set it to bulb or LEDs, anything you want. So I'll type smart bulb. This will be the device name. And that's it. You just have to make these all changes. Now we'll quickly upload this code. So go to tools, select the board, go to ESP8266 and select the Nodemcu 12E module. Now again go to tools, select the port, that is our USB serial 0001, and after this just click on upload button. Now this will upload the code to your ESP8266 board. So after completing the programming, we'll connect the ESP8266 board with a 5V power supply. So after connecting the power supply, make sure your Echo Dot is also connected to your Wi-Fi network, and now we'll open the Alexa app. Now we'll click on more and we'll click on add device. Over here we'll just scroll down and we'll click on others. Here we'll click on discover devices and it will start searching for the device. So now it has found one device. We'll click on setup device and it will ask you to add in some group, but I'll skip it for now. And the smart bulb is set up, is ready. Now we'll go to lights and here we'll find the smart bulb. So now we'll turn on our smart bulb. So as you can see, the LED strip starts glowing. Now we'll change the color with Alexa. Turn smart bulb color to red.
OK.
Alexa, turn smart bulb color to purple.
OK.
Alexa, turn smart bulb color to green. You can even select the colors from here as well. You can even change the brightness. Now we'll add all these components into the body of my old bulb. So I'll disassemble this bulb and remove its hardware. Now we'll keep all this aside. We might be using this in the future. And I will be using this plastic body for now. I'm using the cap of my old screwdriver to connect in front of the bulb. You can use any old charger modules that will be 220V to 5V DC converters, or even you can use this high link converter that will convert your 220 AC volt to 5V DC. Now I have cut 3 pieces of LEDs and stacked it on a circular piece of sunboard. Make sure while connecting these LEDs you connect it properly in the way of the direction arrows. I have also replaced the ESP8266 Nodemcu board with ESP8266 D1 mini board, as it is very small in size. So it will be properly fitted inside the bulb enclosure. And to power this, I am using a 220V to 5V DC converter. I am using this high link converter. Now we will assemble our components inside the body of this bulb. Now the bulb is perfectly ready and we'll connect it to a bulb holder. And we'll connect the bulb holder to a 220 volt AC outlet. Time to test our smart bulb. So I open the application, I'm going into light section and we'll select LEDs. Alexa, turn on LEDs.
Okay.
Alexa, change LEDs color to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, set LED's brightness to 80.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LEDs.
Okay.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.